Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make League of Legends Korean. First, you have to open your Riot client, then go to League of Legends. You just need to simply click on the League of Legends icon here. Now, at the top right corner, you will find a profile. Must be click on the profile icon when you are at the window of League of Legends, and from here you can see we are at the settings of League of Legends, and from here we just need to change the language to Korean language. Here is the Korean language. Click on it and it will take an update. Here you can see it will take an update. Simply click on this update button and it will start downloading, and after updating you will need to re-logging into the League of Legends, or sometimes it doesn't need to re-log in, it just automatically set up in Korean languages. But if you don't find the Korean version or Korean language in League of Legends, just simply log out from your League of Legends account and again log in to your League of Legends account. Also, you can try to in Riot client. You can also log out from your Riot client and re-log in into your Riot client. Then you surely find out that all the League of Legends and Riot client has turned into Korean. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.